I'm gonna tell you what happened to your candy, Blake. I ate it all. I ate yours too, Alan.
Me and Mommy ate it last night when you were asleep.
I ate all your Halloween candy last night.
Daddy, where's the candy?
What candy?
I think Adam ate all your candy. I'm so sorry.
I tricked you. Dad didn't eat all your candy.
Oh.
I tricked you.
I'm very, very sorry, Rachel. I ate all your Halloween candy. How much was it? Oh, Rachel, I'm sorry. You know I like candy, Rachel. Do you still love me?
Sam ate all the candy.
What?
I'm so sorry. It's just I'm pregnant and I get really hungry and I ate all of it.
There you go, Cat. You didn't eat all the candy. Hello, Jimmy.
Cat, please get more candy. I ate them last night. I took them to work with me.
Last night we stayed up and we ate all your candies. Are you guys okay with that?
Why?
No!
Natalie, calm down, Natalie.
You're ugly!
I ate all your candy. You have no more Halloween candy left.
What? She ate it. What the heck?
Don't you guys think you ate enough candy last night?
No, I only have like one bite of candy. Are you serious? Didn't you eat the rest? Oh, good for you. Now you're gonna probably get a bellyache. That's why you shouldn't eat so much candy. Mom, that's two.
To what?
Two bags of candy.
Is 2 plus 2 is equals 5.
No four. You were so close. Did you see how much I had? I went to a lot of houses.
I know.
I
I
got
ate
it.
it all. It tasted so good, especially the peanut butter cups.
You sneaky mom!
Thanks to all the sneaky moms and sneaky dads. Kids are very unstable.